This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept any type of array and from index to index and the comparator. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort merge that breaks the array into subarrays and that subarrays are themselves sorted and then merged. So compared to normal sorting, parallel sorting is faster. Here I have defined a class user. It has two properties, name and age, and user constructor which accept name and age, and getter and setter methods for these two properties. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined user array, and here I am calling get users method. In this method, I am creating a user array with 5 user objects and returning back. Then I have defined age comparator. Then I am calling a parallel sort method of arrays class and passing user array. It has 5 user objects and from indexes 0, which is this position, and two indexes 3, which is this position, and from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. And also I am passing age comparator. So this parallel sort method sort the user array content into ascending order based on the age in this range. Here you can see the output, and in this range user objects are arranged in ascending order based on the age. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.